Hey there, fellow iPad Pro users. Are you tired of your camera app freezing or crashing just when you're about to capture a precious moment? Fret not, because in this video, we're diving deep into the realm of troubleshooting. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to diagnose and tackle those pesky camera freezing and crashing issues. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. One of the first things that you should do is to check if your iPad Pro is running on the latest iOS version. Sometimes updating your iOS version can fix some software glitches and improve the performance and stability of your device. To update your iOS version, open the Settings app, tap General, then tap Software Update. Then just follow the instruction you see on screen to update your device. Restarting your iPad Pro can often do wonders in resolving camera freezing and crashing issues on your iPad Pro. This will refresh your device, which should fix some software glitches. To restart your iPad Pro, just press and hold the power button and either volume button until you see a slider appear on the screen. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds, then go ahead and turn on your iPad Pro. Another effective solution is to force quit and relaunch the camera app. This can sometimes clear temporary app data and resolve minor issues. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your iPad Pro screen to bring up the app switcher. Look for the preview of the camera app. Swipe up on the camera app preview to force quit it. Head back to your home screen and tap on the camera app icon to relaunch it. Updating your apps can improve their performance, stability, security, and functionality. It can also fix some bugs or errors that may cause the camera app to freeze or crash. To update your iPad Pro apps, follow these steps. Go to the App Store on your iPad Pro. Touch your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. You will see a list of apps that have updates available. You can tap on Update All to update all the apps at once, or tap on Update next to each app that you want to update individually. Allow any new updates to download and install on your device. Clearing iPad Pro storage space is a process of deleting or transferring some data or files from your device to free up some memory. This can improve your device's performance, speed, and functionality. It can also prevent some memory issues that may cause the camera app to freeze or crash. To clear your iPad Pro storage space, follow these steps. Go to Settings. General iPad storage on your iPad Pro. You will see a list of apps and categories that are using your storage space. You can tap on each app or category to see more details and options to manage your data or files. You can remove apps that you don't use or need by tapping on the Remove App button. This will delete the app and its data from your device. You can offload some apps that you rarely use by tapping on Offload App. This will delete the app but keep its data on your device. You can reinstall the app later if you want to use it again. If the issue still persists, then it's time to contact Apple support. You can call Apple's phone number and speak to a live representative who can assist you with your iPad Pro issues. You can also visit an Apple authorized service provider near you and get in-person support from an Apple-trained technician. Thank you for tuning in and taking the time to explore these valuable solutions to fix your iPad Pro camera issues. If you want to stay updated with more helpful tech tips and guides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.